Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to explain today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's name is Timing It Right. It is reasonable to plan for school exams in summer if progress on COVID-19 holds. So the schools can conduct school exams in the summer if the progress of COVID-19 stops. Buoyed by vaccine optimism, educational administrators were working with vigor to end the prolonged disruption to schooling and conduct traditional pen and paper public examinations in 2021. The CBSE, with more than 20,000 schools under its ambit at the secondary level, has weighed in favor of written mode tests, obviously counting on the progress in dealing with the pandemic. So, in the state of finding the vaccine, and the government didn't care about the educational system. So, the educational administrators worked very hard and they had tried to end the prolonged disruption of the schools. The students are not attending the schools and attending in online classes. So they had discussed and come to a conclusion, that is, they will conduct a pen and paper public examination in 2021. The CBSE have more than 20,000 schools under its control at secondary level. So there is more favor asking for the written tests. So by counting on the progress in dealing with the pandemic, they had come to a word. As a system with 1.2 million students registering for its senior school certificate examination, the covering schools for expatriates as well, the board is a bellwether for academic schedules. So more than 1.2 million students are registering for the senior school certificate examination. So the board is planning how to conduct these exams efficiently. So quite fortunately, it was able to wrap up its 2020 examination schedule that began in mid-February without getting derailed by the national lockdown in March. So it was able to bring back its 2020 examination schedule that had started in the February but closed in March due to the pandemic. State boards, however, are yet to make up their minds on the schedule for annual examinations and the academic session for next year. So the state boards are, however, trying to make their minds and whether they want to conduct the annual examinations and the academic sessions for next year. Badly affected Maharashtra and Gujarat are thinking of postponing the final examinations. So Maharashtra and Gujarat were very seriously affected by the pandemic. So they have thought that it is a good thing to postpone the final examinations for now. Reflecting the overall concern on the lost academic activities, the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations has appealed to states to allow its schools to open classes 10 and 12 in a limited way early in January. So, the overall problem is that the lost academic activities, so they didn't hear any lessons by the teacher, but they had attended the online classes. So the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations had requested the states to allow its school to open classes for 10 and 12 in a limited way early in the January. These dilemmas reflect those felt across the globe on arriving at a safe compromise on schooling. so they don't have anything to choose. So globally, the schools are thinking to open only when there is safety. In addition, there is also the likely conflict between summer elections in large states such as Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Kerala, and the examination schedule for 2021. So, in big states like Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Kerala, the examination schedule for 2021 is delayed because they are having summer elections. The strongest argument in favor for a written board examination is that it eliminates asymmetrical access, including technology deficits, and it gives all the pupils an equal opportunity to score. So, the most important argument regarding the written board examination is that it will remove all the technology asymmetrical access. So some people have access to technology and others don't. So if in written board examination the technology deficits will not be counted, so every student will have equal opportunity to get high scores. Students are relieved that, in line with the experience in countries such as the UK, the syllabus has been significantly pared down and examination schedules may be put off by a few months beyond March. So, students are eased that the in the line of experience like countries in UK, they had decreased the syllabus significantly and they had postponed the exams for few months after March. The availability of a good vaccine that will also cover teachers and students through a staggered program is arguably key to determining the coming year's academic timetable. So, if a good vaccine is available for the teachers and the students, then only then there is a chance they might plan for the academic time coming year's academic timetable. So, it will get the students and teachers through the lockdown and it will be normal again. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal's move to hear public concerns on such issues through an online consultation is a positive step to build a consensus. So Ramesh Pokhriyal, who is the education minister, had said that he, through an online consultation website, the concerns of the public regarding this move can be said, and it is a positive step for them to build a calculation regarding this. So thank you guys.